ramped-up efficiencies on the horizon. As Rivian and Samsara, a pioneer in the connected operations platform, are partnering to simplify electric fleet management. This collaboration will enable Samsara customers to access data on Rivian vehicles in their fleet on the Samsara platform, streamlining the management of electric fleets. The partnership addresses the evolving needs of businesses managing diverse fleets, including the growing adoption of Rivian commercial vans. By integrating directly with Rivian's platform, customers will have immediate visibility into essential vehicle management data, such as GPS location, odometer readings, and state of charge. This will provide a unified platform for viewing Rivian vehicle data alongside other fleet assets, offering real-time insights into vehicle location, condition, and use. According to Tom McNeela, Vice President of Hardware Product Management at Samsara, the partnership will empower customers to make data-driven decisions, accelerate the transition to sustainable transportation, and optimize their fleet operations. Tom Solomon, Vice President of Business Development at Rivian, added that the collaboration will provide a streamlined approach to securely accessing vehicle data, enabling businesses to improve overall efficiency. The integration is now available to customers in the United States and provides a comprehensive view of vehicle operations, including location, speed, mileage, state of charge, and seatbelt usage. This rich data set is particularly valuable for optimizing operations in sectors such as last-mile delivery and rentals. Along the same lines, Blue Dot, a company specializing in EV fleet management, has partnered with Rivian to mobile service fleet operations. This collaboration aims to streamline Rivian's electric vehicle charging experience by leveraging Blue Dot's technology. The partnership will provide unified access to chargers, good tracking, and automated reimbursement capabilities. According to Blue Dot CEO Ferhat Babakan, the partnership aligns with the company's mission to make charging EV fleets effortless and efficient. The collaboration is expected to remove friction from EV fleet management, allowing Rivian's service fleet to focus on delivering outstanding customer service. With Blue Dot's technology, Rivian's service fleet will spend less time navigating charging complexities, resulting in improved overall efficiency. In addition to this partnership, Rivian Automotive is planning to build a $120 million supplier park near its EV manufacturing plant in Normal, Illinois. This development will streamline material supply processes for Rivian's EV production and is expected to create nearly 100 direct Rivian positions. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.